This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting 3 to 10 focus seed keywords. This gives the tool direction. Once done, open LSI Graph and create a new project. Name it clearly so you can reuse it. Next, paste your seeds into the import field, choose the search engine and country, and set result depth to a sensible number like 100. These steps prime the analysis. Make sure to save the project settings before you run the first fetch, so results are consistent every time. Run the fetch and wait for the raw term list to appear. This is where the real work happens. Once results load, scan frequency and relevance columns to spot strong related terms and outliers. Now filter out low volume or irrelevant entries and use the clustering tool to group by intent. This helps you map content topics. If clusters are too broad, reduce the weight threshold. If they are too narrow, raise it. These refinements make your graph actionable for content planning and optimization. Export your cleaned graph as CSV or JSON, then assign clusters to specific pages or content briefs. This turns data into tasks. When you implement, place high-weight LSI terms and titles, H2s, and scattered body copy. Do this naturally so readability stays high. Finally, if the output seems noisy or off-topic, troubleshoot by tightening filters, changing result depth, or swapping 1 or 2 seed keywords. Rerun the analysis. This iterative approach ensures progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.